everybody, today I'm making eggs. I just turned on my pan. Now I'm putting the butter on, and when it's fully gone, the pan is all bubbly. That means you just wait a little, and then just wait like 1 second, and then after you put the eggs on. Free eggs if your brother wants it, and so if she doesn't eat it, you just eat it. And now put it back in there, and then 2 eggs. If you get a shown there, you need to touch the fire. 3 eggs. Oh my goodness. Drop an egg in there. Use it with tongs. Just don't touch the fire with your hands. Open it very carefully. If you miss, now scramble it a little. And then, yes. Wipe it with a wet cloth, and then put it beside you and a lot. Otherwise, you'll stick to your pan and ruin your pan. So, always mix really quick and hold the handle if you do have a handle. And now let's put the kosher salt on. Now let's put the pepper on. Just go around the pan a bunch of times. And then put it back. And just, when you're leaning over to put it back, make sure not to touch the fire. Now keep mixing and mixing. If eggs fall out, just put it back in. Just put it in really quick because you don't want to burn yourself. Done. Now you just lift the pan off. Turn the stove off. And now it's everybody. So today I'm making a perfect bite for my brother because she doesn't really like eggs. And it's with lots of ketchup. I squeezed it from the bottom, and now I'll eat it. And now she doesn't want to eat it. Now I'm eating it. It's good. Make sure to eat all your eggs you make because they help you grow and get lots of muscle. And thank you for watching Emmett's review show. Please subscribe and like it. Bye.